Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I hope you're having such a good day. It has been so fun to trade with you guys this week. We have just hit our 37th for 37th win called out on this channel, and that was actually for Bitcoin if you guys haven't watched that video yet, so make sure you guys do that. If you guys are wondering how we're doing this, I'm going to fly through this very fast. You guys need to go over to tradeconfident.io. Our subscription is $49 a month. You get access to all the metrics that I'm going to be going over today, as well as the live trade calls. All you guys need to do is click into any of these, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Solana, VeChain, Polygon, and then we also have a DOT and link in here. All right, so what you guys are going to see in every single one of these is going to be a price structure in white, and you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. These are the 4 buy limits you guys want to be using. So if you have $1,000, $250 goes at each one of these prices in here, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are then just going to put a sell limit up here at the first yellow line above the current price. If you have any questions, just simply watch this video. It's very simple. It's at the bottom of every single live trading chart, so you guys can watch that. And then you're just simply managing the trade from there, watching this channel. It literally is that simple. And we just closed our 37th win today for Bitcoin. So for ADA, I want you guys to come in here. Make sure you guys have your buy limit set up for ADA. I know it's going up right now. I'm going to be calling an exit on this channel for a specific place, but I want you guys to make sure you have your setup in here. So if you guys want access to any of these, there you guys go. It's all transparent for you to start getting into today. Okay, so ADA is seeing a little bit of a pump up here. I like this. This is looking good. We started pushing down to the bottom section here. We didn't actually get into the bottom red section, but we saw this hit more of the bottom red than we did the top red. That's pretty clear on the chart here. So this was signaling to me that we're possibly going to see a move back up. This indicator, I know I've been a broken record about this, guys. This thing is calling the tops and the bottoms so well. You know, obviously this called this bottom right here before we started seeing a move back up. Sorry, that's a terrible arrow. But this is actually where we got into this trade at $2.01, and then we've been riding this up ever since then. Also, it called the bottom here right before we started moving back up, you know, and then time and time again, you know, this actually ended up calling the drop here right at the top before we started seeing this waterfall move back down. So these are very literally the top, the all-time high was called by this indicator, and then we saw a move back down here on the charts. I can go back and I've shown you guys it calling this drop, it called that drop, it literally called the bottom perfectly here before we saw a move back up right there. So these indicators, this one, the well and institution, the well and sorry guys, price and well money flow in the trend dashboard, these are in the description of this video. You guys can get that. The bundle pack is the best deal, so make sure you guys do watch that. All right, let's get over into what I want to talk to you guys about today. Looking at the trend dashboard here, we can see that a lot of the retail traders are going to be looking at this, and they're going to be placing long trades into the market because they're going to be following the trend. Their RSI, stochastic, and MACD is bullish right now. That is where a lot of people enter into the market, and they like to pump the price up because they follow the trend because the trend is their friend. They also follow momentum when their 50, their 100, and 200-day moving averages are green, okay? So that's something I'm watching for, and we are seeing a positive correlation with that. What I like to do, guys, is look to see what retail traders are doing with their normal indicators, and we actually look to trade opposite of them in most scenarios. So we've already taken, this is our break-even price. We originally got into this trade at $2.53 was our first buy limit, and our second buy limit was at $2.01. We have 4 buy limits for every trade. So 2 buy limits got hit. Our break even was $2.27. We ended up taking a profit up here at $2.71, for that was a total profit of 19.33%. We took another 50% profit over here at 8.54%, and we're currently sitting up 9.96% on the remaining 25% of this trade. So here's my official call, guys. I want you to come in here and I want you guys to put a stop loss right at the break even, okay? So let me take this off here, and then I'm gonna come in here and write this. This is going to be a stop loss, or otherwise known, it's actually called a sell stop in Coinbase. Okay, and also in Binance, such like that. So sell stop for basically the remainder. So this would be the 25%, okay? And that's gonna basically keep us safe from losing any money in this trade. And even if you guys wanted to, let me do this. Since I can do this and I have the power to do it and it's kind of fun, let's guarantee ourselves a little bit more profit on this. I'm sorry guys, let me do this like this. We're gonna take this out and I'm gonna move this up a little bit higher for us. So I'm gonna come here and I will be calling this as an official exit for 25%. Let's just do this. 25% exit. I know a lot of you guys are following this. Actually, thousands of you guys are actually in this trade. So follow this carefully. I'm gonna make this red here, and we're gonna go here, and we're gonna make this red. We wanna give a little bit of fluctuation in the market here, but I don't want us to lose out on a lot of this move up here. So this exit is going to be officially at $2 and let's say 50 cents. I'll move it at the psychological level of 250. So let's do that, 250. And that's where I want you, sorry guys, let me go back here. I was looking at the wrong one. We're down here at what's the coordinates on this? It's 239. So we're gonna go, let's do 245. Let me see where that just puts us here for a second. Yeah, let's do 245. So 245 is where I'm going to exit this. If this comes back down, I do think it's going to start pushing to structure lows. So let's just get out there. 240. Let me get this in here again. I'm so sorry, guys. When I'm doing this live, I just give me a couple more seconds here. $2.45. This is going to be the official sell stop, and I will be placing this in my exchange once this video is rendered on YouTube. So I do it with you guys. I'm not going to do it before. So I literally trade with you guys. And then what this is going to do is, if this thing keeps skyrocketing up here, awesome. That's great. I would suggest the next time you guys see the trend exhaustion, again, this is going to be your trading homework. You guys ready for this? Your trading homework is that the moment this pushes up into the top red section here, I'm going to be exiting 100% of this trade, which is the 25% that is remaining if we do not hit the stop loss first. Okay, I know this looks crazy, but guys, once this hits on the bottom or the top, this whole chart's going to be clear again, and we're going to be getting into our next ADA trade. Right now is the best time to come over here. Guys, sign up, get your live trades, click this right here under live trades, scroll down, and click Cardano live trading. Get those buy limits set up. I'm going to get them set up with you guys so you can follow us on this channel for the next trade. We are currently 37 for 37 wins, and we haven't lost a trade on this channel yet. All right, let's go over the actual the metrics for this. The trend exhaustion, you must watch this, guys. Again, once this hits the top red section, I will be looking to exit the rest of my position. You guys need to have that indicator. Come to indicators. This is the trend exhaustion right here. Here's the trend dashboard I was talking about, as well as the price versus money flow. Here's the bundle pack. Get this, you get all of our indicators, and this is going to stay the same, guys, for price, but I am going to be looking to up the price of these indicators over the next couple months. So this will actually give you guys appreciating value if you guys just get this one down here. Okay, so bundle pack is the way to go. Let's go over here and let's go over the metrics for ADA, because this is actually pretty important. This will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time this morning, so in about 45 minutes. We are pushing down into the anxious section that was yesterday. Now, again, I know you guys see this time after time, but I'm proving this to you on this chart. The reason why I do not come out with metric updates after 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is because I can always go back and say, hey, look, it moved up and we made the call and it was successful. No, there's no integrity to that whatsoever. What we need to do is I'm going to show you guys right now what the call was yesterday and prove to you that these metrics are accurate by showing you what has happened on the chart. If we see this moved down yesterday into the anxious section. I'm telling you guys, when the market is anxious and retail traders are anxious or fearful, you start seeing this happen in the market. Smart money, wells, and institutions are buying. Look, long trades in the market yesterday. So 3 days ago, we saw this a little bit of a move down. 2 days ago, yesterday, we ended up seeing this move up in the market. Right after this long trade sentiment from the wells and institutions, what happened with the price? We immediately moved back up here. Like immediately moved up, and it wasn't just a small little move. Like from structure lows is 12%. Excuse me, guys. My apologies. Let me bring this down. Probably just under 10%. 9.83% that we see a move up. This is why you guys really need to be following these metrics over here, because they are holding true. I promise you guys, when the institutions and wells are buying, most likely retail traders are anxious. That's how they actually get their billions of dollars into the market. They can't place billions of dollars in the market unless billions of dollars are selling. That's why it's called an exchange. Okay. Let's take a look down here. Long versus short trades for Cardano. Long trades did actually move out quite a bit here, a little bit more than I expected, but we're seeing a little bit of an increase in long trades here, and short trades were basically just staying steady here over the last few days. While price structure, and I'm such a broken record on this, guys, but it holds so true. If price structure is moving down and long trades are moving up, this is a bullish sign. Price structure cannot keep moving down while long trades are moving into the market. Don't believe me? Let me prove it to you over here. Long trades are moving out of the market right here while price structure is moving up. Let me go like this. This is kind of a cool little feature I've got. So as you see price structure moving up here, we're clearly in an uptrend pattern, okay? Just like that. But long trades on blockchain is moving down. Price structure cannot sustain itself moving up when you don't have anything backing it behind it. What this is just enough retail traders placing long trades versus short trades in the market to keep it pumped up. This is showing us that the overall long trades, though, are moving down in the market, okay? So that will show you guys a drop is coming. This is such a powerful on-chain metric you guys need to be using every single day. Okay, coming down here, long versus short trade risk. Well, the last few days we've been looking at getting into good long trades and good and great long trades. Well, guys, that's obviously what we did. We got all the way down. Literally, we got tagged in at the very bottom here, rock bottom for 88, and then we rode this back up. So at the moment, if you guys are going to ask me over email, and I totally understand you're going to ask this question, Travis, what do I do because ADA is going up? My official call, guys, is if it was my mom literally asking me this, do not enter into any trades right now. I know it's going up. Some of you might FOMO in. My call, guys, is do not do it. Don't do it. You guys need to come over here and go to the live trades and set up your next 4 buy limits for Cardano. Guys, I know sometimes the price can go up and you feel like you missed out. I'll tell you guys, I had a lot of emails and a lot of hate speech going on in the comments about us not being able to get into this move right here. But I was calling out with the metrics that this thing was going to drop, and there's video proof of this. And I said, guys, humbly, we just need to stay patient in here. I know it's going to feel like you're missing out. But guys, everybody who FOMO'd into these top prices up here, they're still in the loss. We're making money in here consistently, and we haven't lost a trade yet, but these people are still holding their positions. If you're one of them, don't take this as me bashing you. I'm just giving you guys advice here. We don't care if the market keeps going up. We're always going to buy on discount because that's how we've been winning. Would you rather get into hype and maybe win, 10 to 20% of the time, or have a strategy where we haven't lost yet? I think you guys see the point I'm trying to make there, okay? I'm trying to be really kind about that. But let's go over here and finish up for ADA for the metrics, and then I'll show you guys a couple other things here. Well, in institutional smart money, I just went over this. This was calling the pump here perfectly. If you guys want to trade with wells and institutions, first of all, take our trade entries. I literally coded this metric after working with hedge funds in crypto and Forex, okay? As well as the emotional index. Taking a look at this down here, where are we going to head, guys? The next structure high is at $2.80. Let's take a look at this on the chart. $2.80 puts us at the structure high right here. Could we actually head back up there? Yeah, absolutely. Like, I wouldn't doubt it if there's enough bullish pressure in the market that we could buy Saturday or Sunday, push up here to this top level. Usually, quote unquote, usually you see selling pressure over the weekend, okay? But I think this could see a little bit more of a move up here. I do not think this move down is done yet, though, for ADA, okay? I just want to make that clear. Once this pushes into the top red section, this has historically held true easily 80 to 85% of the time where we see drops back down. Like, this drop is pretty big. Take a look at this. That's a pretty big drop in the market as well. Take a look at when it happened up here. That's a pretty big drop as well. Easily able to get us all into our next trade for ADA and make more profit, okay? Is this clicking, guys? Like, I hope you guys are having a lot of fun here, because literally our next trade setup, you need to have that setup on the chart if we start moving down here, and then everybody will be winning this trade. Okay, dollar cost average entries, if you guys entered down here, you guys are doing fantastic. Really great job for all of you who did that. We're just waiting for another green bar. If you guys want to throw money in whenever you get a green bar, hold for 5 to 10 years, you'll do great. Okay, exit points. This literally called the top here perfectly. Let me be transparent, guys. There will be times when this indicator doesn't call the exact tops. Yes, it called the bottom here. It called the drop here, called the drop here. It called the drop there, called the drop here. I know some people don't like it when I say this over and over on the videos, but it called the drop many times. What we need to do and how we need to assess this in here is when we start seeing these red bars, this is where I look to scale out of positions because the market is overextended, and we do not know when a scenario like this could have happened. It could have happened right here. It could have happened here. It could have happened there. We don't know. So in order to mitigate risk, you need to be looking for exits, and that's what I cover on this channel with you guys. So overall, this is looking very good. My official call, guys, if you want to get in here and start trading, is you need to set up your next buy limits, and that is the best thing for you to do today for Cardano is click. You guys actually need to click on this. It will open up a chart that looks exactly like Bitcoin right here. You are going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price. That is your 4 buy limits. If you're brand new to this channel, you can enter those in right now and get set up for the next trade. I will be trading it personally with you guys with my Coinbase Pro account here, okay? We're currently up $11,100 in here. We're probably up maybe just, actually it's probably dipped down maybe a little bit. Maybe we're up. Let's see what's going on here. Maybe just dip below 100. I'm sorry. Okay, we're up again another $20. So the market obviously is heading up this morning, and we're doing well for all of you guys in this trade. So I want you guys to set up that long trade. And then what I want you to make sure you guys do is move that break even. I'm going to do this right after I render this video to $2.45. I've got it written down right here on my chart. So make sure you guys do that. And then if we push up into the top red zone, I might not be on video for this, so make sure you have those indicators. Exit the rest of your position. The rest of that 25% position is what I'm going to be doing. And then we will be getting into the next long trade when we get triggered there. So get set up, get ready. Here we go, guys, for another trade. God bless you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Sorry, guys, real quick. I'm not able to respond to all the comments in the YouTube channel. I am spending a lot of time over at email because I promise you guys I will answer all your questions there. We do answer comments in the video chats. It's so hard. YouTube's going through a big They're trying to get rid of all the spam comments. Spam on YouTube has been ridiculous in the comments for us YouTube creators. So it's hard for us to tell who's actually a real person and who is not. We are still trying to comment to a lot of questions in there, but if I do not get to you in the comments, email me at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and I promise you I will get back to you ASAP. And that's where we're doing a lot of the managing with our clients. If you have a question, email me. I'll get back to you. The comments aren't the greatest place. If you really need a question, email me. Okay, guys? Thank you so much. God bless you. Get your trade set up. Get the indicators before they go up in price, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.